Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Dear students, what are things we studied in last class? Weight, converting kilogram into gram, converting gram into kilogram. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, addition of weight, subtraction of weight and measurement stories on weight. Are you ready for the class? Okay. All of you take your text. Page number 115. Take your note also. Okay. One example for you. Our topic is addition of weight. Example 1. Example 1. Add 18 kilogram. Add 18 kilogram. 750 gram and 14 kilogram 900 gram. Okay. Add 18 kilogram 750 kilogram and 14 kilogram 900 gram. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Listen here. Okay, 18 kilogram, 750 gram plus 14 kilogram, 900 gram. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. Write 6 is here. 1 is balance. Balance is here. Then 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 is here. 1 is balance. Balance is here. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We got the answer 36 kilogram. 650 gram. 650 gram. We got the answer 33 kilogram. 650 gram. Okay, we'll explain one more time. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 9. We got the answer 16. Write 6 is here. Balance is 1. Then 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 is here, 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We got the answer 33 kilogram, 650 gram. 33 kilogram, 650 gram. Okay, write it. Okay, did you finish? Okay. Next one, subtraction of weight. Subtraction of weight. Subtraction of weight. Subtraction of weight. One example for you. Example 1. Subtract 19 kilogram 556 gram from 29 kilogram 196 gram. Okay. Subtract 19 kilogram 500 kilogram, 596 gram. Okay, how to solve this problem? How to solve? Kilogram, gram. Okay, 29 kilogram, 196 gram minus 19 kilogram, 556 gram. Okay. Okay. Listen here. 6 minus 6. 0. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. We got the answer for 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is possible? It is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. Here 8. Here 11. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. We got the answer? 6. Then here 8 minus 9. It is possible? 8 minus 9 is possible? It is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. Here 1. Here 18. 18 minus 9. We got the answer 9. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 1. 0. We got the answer 9 kilometer 640 gram. Sorry, 9 kilogram 640 gram. 9 kilogram 640 gram. Okay, 9 kilogram 640 gram. Our question is 29 kilogram 196 gram plus minus 19 kilogram 556 gram. We got the answer 9 kilogram 640 gram. Okay. 29 kilogram 196 gram minus 19 kilogram 640 gram equal to 9 kilogram 440 gram. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then next one, exercise 4.8. Exercise 4.8. In exercise 4.8, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains your homework. Okay. First one, add the following weight. First one, A, kilogram and gram. 54 kilogram, 220 gram plus 74 kilogram 149 gram. Okay. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9. 9. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Okay, 6. 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. Then 4 plus 4. 8. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. We got the answer 12. Okay. Answer is 120 128 kilogram, 369 gram. 128 kilogram and 369 gram. Okay. 128 kilogram, 369 gram. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Next one. Next one, second one. Subtract the following. 17 kilogram, 429 gram minus 16 kilogram, 24 gram. Okay. 9 minus 4. 5. 2 minus 2. 0. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is possible? It is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. Here 6. Here 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. You got the answer? 6. Okay. Then 6 minus 6. 0. And 1 minus 1. 0. We got the answer. 605 gram. 605 gram. 605 gram. Okay. Write it. Next one. Our next topic is measurement stories on weight. Okay. Did you finish? Okay, good. Measurement stories. Measurement stories. Okay, one example for you. First example, Pickle's mother bought 15 kilogram 250 gram of rice and 10 kilogram 5 gram of flour. How much grocery did she buy? Okay, now Pickle's mother bought 15 kilogram 250 gram of rice. Okay, Pickle's mother 15 kilogram 250 gram rice വാങ്ങി. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 10 kilogram 50 gram of flour. 10 kilogram 50 gram flour വാങ്ങി. How much grocery did she buy? Total Pickle's mother എത്ര വാങ്ങിയെന്നാണ്. Okay. How to solve this problem? Measurement stories. First example. Write the heading, measurement stories. Write the question. Okay. Then solution. Amount of rice bought. amount of rice both 15 kilogram to 50 gram. 15 kilogram to 50 gram. Okay, then amount of flour board. Amount of flour board. 10 kilogram 50 gram. Then we want to find out the total weight. Total weight of grocery. Okay. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Answer is 0. Then 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 10. Then write 0 is here. 1 is balance. Balance is here. 1. 2 plus 1. 3. Okay. Then 5 plus 0. 5. 1 plus 1. 2. We got the answer 25 kilogram 300 gram. 25 kilogram and 300 gram. Okay. Therefore, Pikku's mother bought 25 kilogram 300 gram of grocery. Okay, I will explain one more time. Solution. Amount of transport 15 kilogram to 50 gram. 15 kilogram to 50 gram. Okay, amount of flour 10 kilogram 50 gram. 10 kilogram 50 gram. Okay, we want to find out the total weight of grocery. We want to find out the total weight. Total weight of grocery. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Right, 0 is here. Then balance is here. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. We want to find out the total weight. 25 kilogram, 3000 gram. Okay, Pikku's mother bought 25 kilogram, 300 gram of grocery. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then next one. Exercise 4.9. In exercise 4.9, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains are your homework. Okay. First one. Raja purchased 4 kilogram 300 gram onions and 5 kilogram 70 gram capsicum. Find the total weight of vegetables. Raja purchased 4 kilogram 300 gram of onion and 5 kilogram 750 gram capsicum. Find the total weight of the vegetables. Raja എന്ത് ചെയ്തു 4 kilogram 300 gram onion അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 5 kilogram 750 kilogram capsicum വാങ്ങി. Find the total weight of the vegetables. Total weight find out ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് വെജിറ്റബിൾസിന്റെ total weight find out ചെയ്യണം. Okay. Okay. Write the heading. Exercise 4.9 and write the question. First one. A. Write it. Write the question. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Weight of onion. Weight of onion. Weight of onion. 4 kilogram. 4 kilogram. 300 gram. 300 gram. Then weight of capsicum. Weight of capsicum. Weight of capsicum. 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. 750 gram. 750 gram. We want to find out the total weight. Total weight of the vegetables. Total weight. Okay. Listen here. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, 10. Right, 0 is here, 1 is balance is here. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. You got the answer. 10 kilogram, 50 gram. Okay, therefore total weight of the vegetable, total weight is 10 kilogram, 10 kilogram, 50, 10 kilogram, 50 gram, 10 kilogram, 50 gram. Okay, write it, write it. Did you finish? Did you finish? Okay, good. Dear students, remains your homework.